We got parcels! Hey guys! We got parcels! So we have 3 parcels. Second parcel as an adult. Well, di ko pa sure. Ayan. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Hirap buksan. This is a cookware. Ta-da! It's a pressure cooker. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Perfect. Solo lady. So, currently, the package is disassembled. Pero may kasama pala siyang steamer. And then, the handle. Ayoko pag nag-order online. But this is way cheaper kaysa sa mall mo siya bibili. So, let's try to assemble it. Kasi, we're big girls. So, may manual naman, but I don't usually read manual. Oh my gosh! Hindi sila nagbigay ng screw. I don't know kung paano siya bubuhin. Wala siyang screw. We're back! Ang lakas mo ka big girl nung bibili ka ng screw, ha? Okay. Diyos ko! Makahirap pala dito. Okay, finally! After ilang years, na-assemble na natin. So then, paano tayo mag-nilaga? Let's cook!